interesting property of parallelogram. The diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. Here we consider A, B, C, D as a parallelogram. Now we draw 2 diagonal AC and BD. They are intersect at the point O. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect each other. Therefore, AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. Now, the 2 triangle ABD and triangle ACD, they have same base AB and they lie between 2 parallel lines AB and DC. So they have equal area. But O is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, line AO is the median of the triangle ABD. So the area of triangle ABD that equal to area of the triangle AOD. Similarly, area of triangle BOC that equal to area of triangle COD, because O is the midpoint of the diagonal BD. Therefore, OC is the median of the triangle BCD. Similarly, O is the midpoint of AC and OD is the median. So, the area of triangle AOD that equal to area of triangle COD. Hence the theorem proved. Thank you for watching. If we found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Geometry Zone for more geometry lesson. Thank you. Visit again.